Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing well. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to create an on-click listener to an item in Recyclerview. To get more Android tutorials, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let's jump in and get kick-started. If you have watched my previous tutorial, go to the next section. Between, I will give you a quick recap of whatever I have done in the previous tutorial. Initially, I have created a find class. In my class, I have a name and URL of the image. After creating the find class, I have created a dataset in order to add them into my recycler view. I have created 5 find class and added them to my dataset, and I have created a recycler view in my activate layout file, and then I have created an adapter to inflate my recycler view items. I have created a layout file where I have inserted a image view and a text view, and I will show you about the adapter. I have inflated the view and initiated the image file and text file in my layout file, and I have assigned the values of the company name and the image to be loaded inside the image holder. After that, we have to create a on-click listener now. Now let us get the view so that on wherever the user presses on the item view, this on-click listener should be initiated. We have to create a new on view click listener callback method inside the on-click listener method. By default, on-click listener will be implemented. Now I have to navigate to another activity to show the selected item. So I'm creating a new intent, and then we have to pass context. We will get context by holder dot get item view dot get context, comma, to the class where we want to navigate to, that is home activity dot class. And now we have to pass the item that has been clicked. So the item should be implemented by serializable class so that we can pass a serializable object. Intent dot put extra. I will put the variable name as company and the data as dataset dot dataset of position is my company. And now I will start the intent using the context. I will get the context as the same way I have got it above. Holder dot item view dot get context dot start activity of intent. As we have passed the object from the on-click listener, now we have to receive it in our home activity. We will receive it by intent equals to get intent. The object that we are receiving is a fang class, so fang obj equals to intent dot get serializable extra. The variable name is company. Now we have to cast the variable that we got of fang class. Now as we have got our required class, now we have to make changes to our layout file. I'll go to my home activity layout file and add a image view and a text view. Image view, I'm adding an image view. Width, layout width is wrap content, height is wrap content. Since we are in a constraint layout, we have to add start to start of parent, the constraints, and start end to end of parent, and top to top of parent. And let me add an ID to our image view. ID equals to image underscore view 1 underscore 1. Now let me add text view also. Text view equals to wrap content and start of parent, end to end of parent, and top to bottom of image underscore view underscore 1. Now I have to add an ID to our text view. ID equals to ID slash text underscore view underscore 1. Now we will get the views that we have created in our layout file. Text company name text view equals to find view by ID r dot id dot text underscore view underscore 1. Image view company image view equals to find view by id r dot id dot image underscore view underscore 1. Now let me assign the text view text as company name text view dot set text of fang object dot get name. Now using Picasso library I will load the image. Picasso dot get load URL is fang object dot URL get URL dot load into image company image IV, saying that we have successfully added the fang adapter. Now let me test it. The build has completed and an app has been installed. Now I will click on each particular item. See, now I clicked on Facebook and the Facebook page has opened. Amazon and Amazon image and the text is visible. Netflix logo and image text view is visible. Similarly for Google and Microsoft also.